Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Dodge Journey's oil change light. First, make sure your vehicle is completely off. It's important not to press the brake pedal at this stage. This ensures the system is ready for the reset procedure. Having all doors closed can also help the vehicle's computer system register the steps correctly. This process is quick and can be done in under 1 minute. Next, you need to put your vehicle into the run position without starting the engine. If you have a push-button start, press the start button 2 times without touching the brake pedal. For a traditional key ignition, simply turn the key to the on position. You should see all your dashboard lights come on, but the engine should not be running. Now for the crucial step, the accelerator pedal sequence. With the ignition in the run position and the engine off, fully depress the accelerator pedal to the floor 3 separate times. It's vital to complete all 3 presses within a 10-second window. Make sure the pedal goes completely down and then fully releases each time for the system to register the input. After completing the accelerator pedal presses, turn your vehicle's ignition completely off. Wait a few seconds, then start your Dodge Journey as you normally would. The oil change light should now be off, indicating a successful reset. If the light remains on, simply repeat these steps, paying close attention to the timing and full pedal presses.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.